Hello everyone, welcome to Tech. In our channel, we will show some tricks and tips. So watch this video until the very end.
So guys, this is a very quick video to how you can use your mobile phone internet in your computer by using simply data cable of your phone. Yes, you can use your data cable for internet and connect your phone with your laptop or PC. So you have to simply go for settings, and here is the option mobile tethering, USB tethering. As you can see, my cable is not connected. When I connect my USB cable and simply enable that option, so my mobile internet is connected with my laptop and or my PC. So this is a very simple method. You can use it. You don't need to install any driver, any other app. This is a simple feature and this is available in almost every kind of devices right now. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like it.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support. Like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next one.